The next thing that I'm going to do is start assigning zip codes to a territory. So in this example, somebody's given me a couple zip codes that they want to assign to a new territory. The first zip code is 44116, so I will type that in the top right-hand corner. I will then click the first search result, which takes me to Rocky River, Ohio. If I click on that zip code, I get a row of buttons that allow me to edit the information. I am going to click the pencil icon, which is Edit Attributes. Then I will scroll down to where it says Territory Name, and I will type in Rocky River. And as for territory status, I will write Available, and I am going to save. As I have named my first territory, I'm going to update my legend to display the new territory that I created. To do so, I will go to Layers, click the Style tab, switch to a category style. For the column, I will choose T-name or territory name. Next, I will change the color palette and make the opacity 40% and 30% for the outline. Now, if I click the green button that says Custom Legend, I will see the territories that I have created. As I have only created one, which is Rocky River, Ohio, it will only display one. So Rocky River, Ohio is in green, and null is the color of everything else. To make it easier to work with, I will change null to white. And once I'm done, I will click Save. Okay, so you can see that the Rocky River, Ohio territory in green there. I am going to copy the Rocky River text because I will use it again when I will assign the next zip code to Rocky River, Ohio. The next zip code I want to assign is for 44107. I will do the same. I will click the first result, which takes me to Lakewood, Ohio. It's right next door. So, like we did before, I will click the zip code. And I will go to the Edit Attributes. Scroll down to where it says Territory Name. I will paste Rocky River. Scroll down and I will write Available in Territory Status. Once I'm done, I'll click Save and we'll move on to the next zip code, which is 44145, belonging to Westlake, Ohio. So I will click the zip code, go to Edit Attributes, paste Territory Name, which is Rocky River, change the status to Available, and click Save. The final zip code is 44145, and I will follow the same steps. Okay, there are my 3 zip codes forming my new territory. Now let's do another example. Let's say I want to create a territory for Cleveland. So I will click a zip code, Edit Attributes, and for the territory name, I'll write Cleveland, and I will click Save. At first, the zip code will disappear because it's not in my legend. So I just need to refresh my legend. To do that, I will go to Layers, and I will click the Edit Zip Layer. I'll go to the Style tab, and I will click Custom Legend. I will click the button that says Restore Class Breaks to Default. So as you can see, we have our territories. We have Rocky River and we have Cleveland. So what I will do is I'll move Cleveland to the top and I will change null back to white again. And once I'm done, I will click Save. So that's going to rebuild the legend with my new territories.